gonna record this intro really fast because I actually forgot to record it. This is my yellow sunset smoky eye. If you wanna know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be priming our face, and I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Poreless. And I'm just gonna apply this with my fingers. So now that we're done priming, I'm gonna be starting my eyeshadow first, and then I'm gonna be doing my face last. Today I was thinking about doing a yellowy orangey type of sunset kind of look because spring is coming, and I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. Clearly she's loved. I use her at school, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay, yes, I know I have these little imperfections, but whatever. Before we start the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be priming my eyes, and I'm just gonna be using a concealer today because I don't really have my full makeup here. I leave my makeup kit at school, and then the rest of my makeup's at home, so I only have limited supplies. So I'm just taking some of the Shape Tape. I'm actually gonna use my finger to blend this out because I don't have a beauty blender with me. Okay, so now that we primed our eyes, I'm just going to set my eyes with this nude in the palette. You can set it with a translucent powder. I'm too lazy to grab mine right now, so I'm just gonna use this. After we set our eyes, the first color I'm gonna be taking is this yellow that's right underneath the white in the same palette. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. And I'm just taking a flat shader brush. This is the Morphe M443. So you can just take any flat shader brush. Gonna go a little bit above the crease. So next I'm going to be taking a dome-shaped eyeshadow brush, and this is the Morphe M139. And I'm going to be taking this orange color right here, and I'm going to be placing that right above the yellow into my crease. And I'm also going to be bringing this color to the outer V of my eye. This just adds more depth to the eye. So next I'm going to be taking more of a fluffier eyeshadow brush, and this one is the Morphe M330, and I'm going to be taking this color right next to the orange we just used. It's just a darker, more redder orange, and I'm going to be placing that right above the orange and blending the two colors together. Before I move on to the other eye, I'm going to be blending this out. So you can just take any fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe M441. So now I'm just going to repeat the whole process and make the colors more vibrant. So for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be mixing two colors. I'm going to be taking this color right here and mixing it with this color. Okay, so we're going to go in with lashes now. And I'm going to be using the Mykonos lashes by Lily Lashes. These are my favorite lashes to use. And we're gonna add these on before we do the under eyes because I'm gonna be doing my face first and then finishing off the under eyes. So we're gonna be cleaning this part up soon. I find these the easiest to use for lashes just because it grabs so much of the lash. So this is how I hold it, and I just pop it on. I already primed my skin and moisturized, so next we're just gonna go straight in with a foundation. And what I'm using are these liquid drops. They're from Mud, which is the cosmetology school I go to. I'm just using them because they're the only things I have right now, and I don't have my regular foundations. I'm just gonna mix these two together to get my shade. So next I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes. So I'm just going to be taking some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to be setting my face with it. I'm also going to be baking my face, so I'm going to be adding some to my sponge and just putting it under my eyes. To add some color back into my face, I'm gonna be using this Tarte Pro Glow highlight and contour palette, and I'm gonna be using this color right here, and I'm just gonna bronze my face with that, contour with it. I'm also gonna bake under my contour to make it stronger. Okay, so I cannot find a blush anywhere, so I'm just going to take this pink from the Morphe 39S, and I'm just going to lightly put that over my skin. This literally just broke. I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to wipe away the excess powder. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in the same palette, and I'm going to be mixing these two colors right here together. And I'm just going to apply that onto my the high points of my cheekbone. I'm also going to apply this color underneath my brow bone and just use that as my highlight. So now we're gonna go back in on the under eyes, and all I'm just going to do is I'm gonna apply the same layers from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to go yellow, orange, and then the deeper orange. I'm gonna be doing my brows off camera, so after I do that, I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished my brows. They don't look the best, but it'll do. And then I just applied a lip gloss to my lips. So this is the completed look, and it really reminds me of spring, and it gets me into that spring mood. Thank you for watching and making it to the end of the video. I'm gonna be trying to upload more on here, and I'm gonna be trying to upload some special effects makeup and how I do it, because I think that would be really cool. So just stay tuned for that. I hope to see you next time. Peace.